I am cruising, and all you see is water. All you see is water all around this great big world. All around the world. And if you look way back there, I don't think you could see it like I can. There's something sticking out of the water. What could it be? Could it be from a pirate ship? Could it be something really big? Yeah, but I don't know what. You don't know either, so shut up. Cruising. Hey, Kenneth. Thumbs up. Kenneth, my Filipino friend. Ha 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 ha. Me and Kenneth, we're both Filipino. I'm Filipino and he's Filipino. Yes, that's right.